I tested 4 new AI tools to see if they can actually save time at work, and the results were surprising. I use these tools for real tasks like writing, meetings, and creating content. First is Tome. It creates story-based presentations using AI, making your content more engaging. I gave it a simple brief and a target audience. No templates, no manual slide formatting. In seconds, it mapped a narrative arc. Problem, impact, solution, outcomes, ready to expand. Each slide arrived with headlines, speaker notes, and relevant images, already on brand with a clean, minimal look. I tweaked headlines and swapped an image, but most of the heavy lifting was done. Compared to my manual version, the AI deck felt sharper and more cohesive. If you pitch often, this is a powerful accelerator, best for fast storytelling and executive-ready slides without starting from zero. Second is Fireflies AI. It records meetings and creates notes automatically. The transcript builds in real time with speakers labeled. After the call, it summarizes key points and captures action items with due dates. You can jump to any moment by searching keywords. Notes export cleanly to your docs and project boards. Best for busy teams who want searchable meetings and instant follow-ups. Third is Copy AI. It helps you generate emails and content in seconds. It produced multiple variations, subject lines, intros, and CTAs. I set tone and brand voice, and it stayed consistent, from draft to send in under a minute. For content, the outline to draft flow saves a ton of time. Best for sales follow-ups, internal updates, and content starters, especially when deadlines hit. Fourth is Pictory. It turns text into full videos automatically. It storyboarded scenes, matched visuals, and timed captions. I applied brand colors, fonts, and our logo in seconds. Captions were clean, and the pacing landed on the beat. Exported a YouTube-ready video without manual editing. Best for quick promos, explainers, and turning articles into video with minimal effort. These tools saved hours of work every week. Across a week, I reclaimed between 3 and 5 hours. Even with subscriptions, the ROI was clear. The biggest win was protected focus time for high-value work. Slides faster, meetings searchable, emails done, videos shipped. The real power comes when you combine these tools into one workflow. Meeting notes fuel follow-ups, decisions shape slides, and summaries become snackable videos. Add simple automations and the handoffs become seamless. Think systems, not apps. If you want to work smarter using AI, subscribe to Workflow Genius.